Looking for durable and comfortable seating options? The best dining chairs for heavy person are designed to provide maximum support and stability without compromising style. Perfect for family meals, gatherings, or everyday use, they combine strength with elegance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. COLAMY Wooden Dining Chair. The COLAMY wooden dining chair is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a balance of modern style, versatility, and lasting comfort in their dining setup. With its sleek upholstered design and wooden legs, this chair blends sophistication with functionality, making it a great addition to both home dining rooms and commercial spaces. At 19 inches in height, it provides an ideal seating position that pairs well with standard dining tables, ensuring your guests feel comfortable whether enjoying casual meals or formal gatherings. The padded cushion and supportive backrest enhance comfort, helping reduce fatigue and promoting proper posture during extended sitting sessions. Available in multiple colors, these chairs can seamlessly adapt to different interior design themes, whether you prefer a minimalist, contemporary, or farmhouse style. Beyond the dining room, their multi-purpose design makes them suitable for use in the kitchen, living room, balcony, patio, or even professional settings like cafes, waiting rooms, and restaurants. Built with strength and durability in mind, the chair supports up to 250 pounds, ensuring a sturdy and reliable seating option for everyday use. The solid construction guarantees longevity, even when subjected to frequent use by family or guests. This makes them a practical investment for families who entertain regularly, or for businesses that require durable and comfortable seating for customers. Whether you are replacing old chairs, setting up a new dining area, or adding extra seats for special occasions, the COLAMY wooden dining chair strikes the perfect balance between aesthetics, comfort, and resilience, making it an impressive choice for any space. Number 2. COLAMY Upholstered Dining Chair. The COLAMY Upholstered Dining Chair stands out as a stylish, mid-century inspired seating solution that effortlessly combines modern elegance with reliable durability. Featuring a clean, minimalist silhouette, these chairs complement a wide range of interior design themes, from traditional to Scandinavian or even industrial styles. The breathable fabric upholstery, paired with a solid wooden frame, creates a chair that not only looks refined, but is also built to endure daily use. Rubber wood legs add sturdiness, while the inclusion of adjustable foot pads ensures stability on uneven surfaces and helps protect flooring from scratches. Comfort is a key focus in this design, with thick, high-density sponge cushions providing excellent support and comfort for extended use. The ergonomically contoured backrest encourages good posture, reducing strain during long meals, work sessions, or casual conversations. Their versatile nature makes them equally suitable for use around the dining table, as side chairs in the living room, or as extra seating in offices, restaurants, or event spaces. Unlike some dining chairs that sacrifice comfort for design, the COLAMY Upholstered Dining Chair strikes a perfect balance, offering a plush seating experience without compromising on aesthetics. Number 3. Sweetcrispy Boucle Dining Chair. The Sweetcrispy Boucle Dining Chair combines comfort and modern mid-century charm, making it an appealing option for those who want style without sacrificing functionality. Its signature curved backrest is designed to contour naturally to the body, providing excellent lumbar support and encouraging proper posture. This ergonomic design ensures a comfortable sitting experience, whether you are enjoying a quick meal or hosting a long dinner party. Adding to its appeal is the thick, plush circular cushion, which measures nearly 4 inches in thickness and is filled with high-density sponge. This enhances seating comfort, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort. The boucle fabric not only adds a touch of contemporary sophistication, but also offers a cozy texture that elevates the overall dining atmosphere. Stability and durability are provided by the sturdy matte black metal legs, which support up to 275 pounds with ease. The sleek contrast between the boucle upholstery and black metal frame makes these chairs versatile, blending effortlessly with modern, minimalist, or eclectic interiors. Practicality is another strong point, with rotatable foot mats on each leg that help stabilize the chair on uneven surfaces while preventing scratches on floors.
These details highlight the thoughtful construction, ensuring both durability and user convenience. Perfect for dining rooms, kitchens, living spaces, or even as occasional seating in cafes or offices, the Sweetcrispy Boucle dining chair is as versatile as it is stylish.
Number 4. Signature Rustic Dining Chair. The signature rustic dining chair offers timeless appeal with its simple spindle-back design, warm wood tones, and cushioned microfiber seat. Perfect for those who value traditional craftsmanship and understated elegance, this set of 2 chairs adds a cozy and inviting feel to any dining space. Measuring 19 inches wide and 38 inches high with an 18-inch seat height, these chairs are built to match standard dining tables comfortably. The hand-applied wood finish enhances their rustic charm, making them an excellent fit for farmhouse, country, or classic decor themes. Despite their simple silhouette, these chairs provide a surprising level of comfort thanks to their upholstered microfiber seats, which add softness and support for everyday dining or long gatherings. The spindleback design not only contributes to their traditional aesthetic, but also provides sufficient support while maintaining an airy, open look. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions and hardware included, allowing for quick setup. Their durability comes from the solid wood construction, which ensures they can withstand regular use for years. Whether paired with a rustic wooden dining table or mixed with more contemporary pieces for contrast, the signature rustic dining chair delivers both versatility and character. These chairs are particularly suited for family dining rooms, breakfast nooks, or even as accent seating in larger living spaces. Number 5. Nalupatio Modern Dining Chair. The Nalupatio Modern Dining Chair combines sleek design with superior comfort, making it a standout option for modern dining spaces. With its elegant lines and stylish color options, this chair effortlessly complements contemporary interiors while providing the practicality required for everyday use. The thickened backrest and seat are filled with new generation high-density sponge, offering exceptional comfort and support that makes long meals or conversations a pleasure. Unlike many chairs that prioritize appearance over function, the Nalupatio design ensures both comfort and durability are at the forefront. Upholstered in premium polyester fabric, the chairs are wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, qualities that make them especially family-friendly. The skin-friendly texture also ensures a pleasant seating experience without irritation. The frame is constructed from FSC-certified wood for sustainability, while the legs are made from sturdy metal tubes, ensuring stability and robust support. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, these chairs are among the stronger options available, suitable for daily household use or commercial environments. Their sleek profile allows them to blend easily with various table styles, from minimalist glass to rustic wood. They work equally well in kitchens, dining rooms, or as additional seating in offices and cafes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.